Hi everybody, it's Julie and I'm back with another installment of Spring Blossom series, and this one is an embellishment. We are going to make the word love using the blue paper wire. So you have about 18 inches of blue paper wire in your kit, and we're going to go ahead and just start by at about 2 inches. We're going to make a loop and twist it. Okay, so went around it twice, and that gives us the beginning of our L. We're going to come down, we're going to leave about an inch here, come down, and twist it again. Okay, so that gives us the beginning of our L. We're going to come over, go around our index finger, and just make a loop and twist it. And that will be our O. Okay, you're going to come over, leave about the room of your index finger, and you're going to come, okay, you're going to round it up a little bit and then bring it down just to about the same size as the O. Hold it with your fingernail and move it up, and there's your V. Okay, so when you get to the top over here, you're going to go ahead and bend it to the right and down a little, and now we're going to come around again. You want to leave about index room apart. You're going to make another little loop, you're going to twist it, and this is going to become your E, and then you will have a little bit of a tail left. So this is your love paper ribbon. Like I said, you get about 18 inches of paper, this blue wired paper ribbon in your Spring Blossoms kit. And that will be available at the, let's say February 1st. The kit will be available February 1st, 4 o'clock Pacific time. February 1st, 4 o'clock Pacific time. And I hope to see you there. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, put them down below. Oh, also, there will be a, hang on. In looking at the Creativation or whatever, the big convention that was happening like last week, We Are Memory Keepers has come out with some paper wire, and so I don't know when it's released, but that they also have come out with a little box that has pegs, and you're able to write things using their pegs. But you know what? I'm going to show you. I showed you how to do it with no pegs. But I think that it's going to be a fun item to have, and a lot faster than trying to remember to figure out how to do it. So I just second-guessed myself or something there, but it's all good. Anyway, you're going to get 18 inches of the paper wire, and you will be able to write the word love, and I'll see if I can put together some other words for you as well that you would be able to use your paper wire for. So find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe and have an amazing day. Come back for more of the Spring Blossom series. Bye-bye.